What's up, guys? It's Miscellaneous Magnets here. Back out. Gonna do a little magnet fishing here. Let me show you what we got. Got all these popular fishing pier over here. And there's a little bridge right here. So if all else fails, we can go hit that up. Wait for this cop. There's a cop way over yonder over there. I don't know if you guys can see him. Somewhere over there. But anyways, let's get started. Get this magnet in the water. See what we can get. That water's pretty deep, man. Adjust you guys real quick. Better shot. There we go. That's better. I have no idea what we're gonna catch here. I've never been here. Had this on my map for a while. See if we got anything. All right, first one out. Got a fishing hook. Not too shabby. Oh boy. Look at that. Scored that land fine right there, man. That's decent. Throw that up in the bucket. That's a nice little spoon, man. Brand new. Somebody else's loss is my gain. No rail here. I don't know. Might be able to find some stuff. All right, guys, so let's pull her back up, see what we got. Oh, I see something hanging off of there. Got a spark plug, man. That's my first spark plug. NGK. In the bucket, and we got a Corona Premium. All right, let's get this thing back in the water, see what else we can get. All right, guys, so we're over here on the other fishing pier, boat launch type deal. Give this side a go. Didn't find too much over there, but did get a few things. So, like I said, let's pan out here. A couple locations close by. So, alright guys, so I switched to the double-sided magnet. Get some throws on. First throw with the double-sided. Got a couple nails. Nothing spectacular. I'll yeah, let's see what's up, man. Turn you guys up. First nice day we've had in a while. It's been raining like crazy down here. Alright guys, we didn't get nothing on that throw. So, let me see. I'm going to poke around for a little bit. If I catch something, I'll turn you guys back on. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and wrap things up. Hasn't been too long of a fish. Poked around here for a little bit. Didn't get too much. I'll show you what we got. We got my first spark plug. It's decent. And, 3 nails. Corona Premier. Let me see, we got 1 busted fishing hook, and the good find on the day was we got this brand new fishing spoon, man. Let's see what that says. Crocodile. So there we go, man. Need you guys to please thumbs up, like, and smash that subscribe button, man. You guys have a good day.